Jimmy, please say something.
James?
What? Who are you? Mom, I thought you told me never to talk to strangers.
Like I said before, Jimmy, please be nice to your new stepfather.
Okay, rich guy. I love it that you're twice as old as my grandfather and you're fat and bald.
That's enough! I've had it with you, you little brat!
You've upset your mother. I've got half a mind to beat you.
Half a mind is right. Suddenly he realizes.
I can't believe you, you little monster. We'll deal with you when we get back from our honeymoon. Next year.
Here we are, boy. Bullworth Academy. Have fun, Jimmy. I'll think of you from our cruise ship.
Whatever. Mom, why'd you marry that phony? What is wrong with you? I can't believe this.
You must be the Hopkins boy.
Where'd you come from?
We've been expecting you. Welcome to Bullworth Academy. I'm sure you'll be very happy here. Very happy indeed. Anyway, I can't spend my life waiting around for naughty little boys. I've got a man to make happy. The headmaster is expecting you, Hopkins, in his study.
Okay.
His study is over there, boy, in the main building. Don't keep Dr. Crabblesnitch waiting. He's a brilliant man. Brilliant.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I never tell a lie unless it's a white lie.
Maybe I'm not the nicest to ever.
I
don't like you!
Hello there, man.
Ah, yes. So, you must be Hopkins.
Uh-huh.
What? Uh-huh. What?
I meant yes, sir.
Very good. Now, let me see. You've done a lot of naughty things, haven't you? Vandalism, graffiti, bad language, violent conduct, disrespecting staff. Oh, I'm scared of you, Hopkins.
Come on, give me a break.
Yes, I've never met a boy like you. Never in all my life. Hopkins, you're quite the nastiest little boy I have ever encountered. Tell me, why should I waste my time on you?
I don't know.
Because it's my calling. It's what I do. You excel at causing trouble, and I excel at fixing little boys like you, at making you into respectable members of our community here at the Academy. I've got a good feeling about you, boy. A feeling you and I are going to be great friends. You keep that nose clean, boy, or I shall clean it myself. Miss Danvers, are you back yet?
Yes, Headmaster. And I got your tea.
You are good to me, Miss Danvers.
No more than you deserve, Headmaster.
Take our new friend Hopkins here and show him around the school and get him properly attired.
Certainly, Headmaster. Come along, boy. I haven't got all day.
And boy, remember, you will have a clean nose. So keep it clean, or we'll clean it for you.
So here I am at probably the worst school in the country, whose alumni are nothing but arms dealers, serial killers, and corporate lawyers. Real scum. And that old creep thinks he can tame me? We shall see, my friend. I only give people what they have coming to them.
Where's your uniform, young Hopkins? Run along now, child. Don't be silly.
Hey, idiot, stop it! Oh, man!
This might come in handy.
You won't get away!
That's not proper behavior.
Welcome to Bullworth. You vulgar, foolish infidel.
You suck, man! Don't be mean!
None of us will be able to. Looks like your mom forgot to change her pants. Yeah. Huh? Okay.
I know I'm forgetting to do something today. Okay, fine. Does my breath stink? What's your problem? I hope my breath doesn't stink. I wish Bullworth had a field hospital. Hockey team.
You're dumb!
Guess what time it is? Yep, time for a beatdown.
Get the new kid. Beat him down.
That's wicked. It's easy. Give him a finish. Give him a finisher. It's a wicked massacre. Oh, you Do you even realize how much you suck? I ain't gonna forget. I never forget. I'll get you back in front of the whole... You're dead, new kid. Dead.
Hey, you! Break it up! That's enough of that! Break it up! Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately!
Aw, come on.
Hey, you're the new kid.
Yeah? What's it to you?
Friendly, aren't you?
Give me a break, loser.
Hey, relax, friend. You're all pent up. Go easy or they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane.
That's fascinating. Now if you'll excuse
I
me...
said relax, friend.
Get off, man!
Listen to me, tough guy. You just arrived at the toughest school in the country, and I'm offering to be your friend. Trust me, in a place like this, you're gonna need friends. So it's up to you. You gonna play nice or what?
Yeah, sure.
Good. So how about I show you around? We don't have a bar in the game, just a soda machine.
You want to find out what I can do? You can do your best, but I will defeat you. Hurt him! Make him cry! Just look at I never even eat that stuff.
You should probably change into your uniform if you don't want to get in trouble.
Ruining my science experiment. They think I'm just all talk, do they?
Hey, how you doing? You must be the new kid. I'm Pete Kowalski. Jimmy Hopkins, and don't ask how I'm doing. I've been here 5 minutes and already people want me dead. Even my parents didn't hate me this quickly.
Well, welcome to Bullworth. It's a dump.
Great, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent.
Yeah, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent because I'm really bad. Give up the tough guy act, pal.
Hey man, what's your problem?
Well, ADD primarily, but also life. My parents, this school, Western civilization, but really, honestly, enough about me. Oh, I see you've met the dorm's mascot. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Femboy, the girliest boy in school. Petey, haven't you got some imaginary friends to go annoy?
Why don't you leave me alone, Gary?
Look at you. Leave me alone, Gary. I'm really self-important now that I finally hit puberty. What's your problem? I'm just being nice to the new kid as he passes through Bullworth on his inevitable journey to prison.
Look, I gotta unpack. Would you guys mind getting out of here?
Oh, now look what you've done, Pete. Jimmy can't stand you already.
You're a joke. Yeah, you get ready. It's gonna hurt. I really gotta go, but what if there's someone in there? Oh, I'll wait. Stinky breath! I want my mommy.
Why would Mr. Hattrick call me a twerp? Why am I so attracted to this? Leave me alone. It's me.
Oh no!
I think I heard too much of that.
Hey, Jimmy, let me show you around.
You know what else?
Scuttlebutt says all the greasers best.
That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
Enough talk! Now I smash you!
Don't bother with me.
You! Cash! Now!
I don't want any trouble.
Puny ant! Destroy! Next time you give, more doofus!
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him. Careful around the prefects. They don't have much of a sense of humor. Well done!
Now I'm going to have to punish you!
I got plenty more where this came from.
You're really making me angry! I'll hurt you! You're coming with me! I will... You're not very nice! Well, you cannot hide! I swear I'll beat you! You should not have done
The idiots won't find me here.
I'll beat you later, Hopkins! Tell me what's what.
Why do they give us so much homework?
I can't tell Mom about that at all.
A Sumerian...
Hey, Jimmy, follow me.
I'm gonna waste this part of that. Look at the cool guy! I work hard now so that
Oh, man! There's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her. Go! See what she wants.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What's going on?
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
Brain.
Alien scum! She wouldn't be so
Careful, idiot.
Perhaps a strong showing in the history of all the...
I really love bunnies. They're so nice.
If you just clean up a bit.
There he is. Show him what you're made of.
Oh! So you want to scrap? Well, look at the time. You're gonna find out what happened.
Hello, whoever you are.
You got hit with the ugly we're having.
Why are boys so confusing?
Just like that.
Anger management is overrated. You can beat
make out. Sheesh.
I'll remember this forever.
You actually kissed
I really
her.
like
Let's
Ralph.
go to the cast. I'll show you who's who.
Much more than it hurt me. For the way you boy.
Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over there are the greasers. They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them, at least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the school. Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
You're here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
Gotta get to practice. See ya. I wish I could go to school 7 days a week.
What are you doing in here? Oh, right. Class. Take care to follow my instructions precisely, as we will be working with volatile chemicals today. Good work. You have a future in chemistry. Very good. Carry on. You may have a future ahead of you, young man.
Hopkins is dominating! I said I'd do it.
Here, sit back.
I know you're new here, but that doesn't give you the right to be a jerk.
No need for complex reasons where a simple beating will do. I am going to beat you now.
I'm so telling on you. See?
Stop so I can beat you.
Please help.
Stay calm, everyone. I'll catch you. Should not have, loser. You are. It was inevitable, wasn't it?